Good morning to one and all present here.
Good morning.
Today with me, I have my 4 friends who are eagerly waiting to introduce them to you all. Let's start with the first one. She is always on her toes to initiate a conversation. Always energetic and filled of enthusiasm throughout the day. Hello everyone. How are you guys? It's such a pleasant morning, right? I am the initiative communicator. As Saujanya mentioned, I'm always ready to start the spark of conversation. People usually miss me when there are awkward silences. Right? Yes, I agree. But sometimes I might even drive you off the ball when you're not in a really good mood to have a conversation. But you know what? I am thick-skinned. Your ignorance can never stop me from sharing my ideas, my stories. Those are never stop. Usually, I always take this responsibility to initiate the spark of conversation. To fuel this conversation, I would like to call the next communicator. Good morning, Toastmasters. I am a direct communicator. I never beat around the bush. Instead, talk to the point. What matters to me the most is the conclusions. My solutions are just the solution, not the procedures. I just find them a waste of time. Why do even people explain themselves so many times? This quality of mind allows me to take quick decisions and get my job sooner. But somewhere I lack in considering people's emotions. But our next friend considers that a lot. A very warm good morning to one and all. I am the supportive communicator. How was your week? Tiring? Stressful? I know. College life. I can understand. People usually approach me when they want moral support or advices. And in fact, I'm the best person to have a talk with when you're having a breakup. And now, I shall take a leave as our next communicator is very excited to share some facts with you. Hey everyone! Hey everyone! The software engineers in the house, give me a cheer. You know what, guys? You guys are in a heavy demand in the market. You don't agree with me? Okay, let me prove myself. New Year night, approximately 60% of the population are awake just to wish their loved ones. Let's assume you send a 4 MB of image to 20 people. That is 80 MB of data. 80 MB of data. In an average family, there are 4 people. That is 320 MB data. In India, there are approximately 27 crore families. That is 86,000 terabytes. But across the globe, OMG. Imagine that pressure or that demand for a data analyst that night just to handle that data. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. I am the analytical communicator. I am just like facts and figures walking around you. If you ever wish to impress me, you should get your figures right. I know 50% of what I talk just goes over your head. But trust me, 70 to 80% of the crowd get impressed by these numbers. You can try that too. They say we humans use only 14% of our brain. Before I fill that 14% with calculations and numbers, I shall take a leave. Hey everyone, I am back. So you met my 4 different friends. These are the 4 communication styles. I know there are many other, but these were my favorite ones. We all use many type of communication styles, but most of us usually don't spend time in recognizing which is the most used one. But for this project, I did. Yes, all the 4 were my friends, but I have a best friend. And that is the direct communicator. I'm more like her, the result-oriented person. I just need the solution. I am just bothered about the outcome. If you are late, you are late. If the work is not done, it's not done. I could never bother to ask why, because those explanations or those reasons can never change the result. So this was my best friend. Now that you have met all my 4 friends, I hope even you might have found your best friend. Over to you.